today marks a wonderful milestone of 25 years of my dear parents, Mama and Dada. I have seen them go through many tough challenges. And I want to tell you that handling a church is not easy. Okay, because handling people who you do not pay is a difficult task. And each other person, like the second person, has their own opinion. So handling them is not easy. And I have seen my parents, quarrel between each other. But at the end of the day, I've seen them resolve their fights. Okay. And yes, it is God's grace that He has kept them together for 25 years and He is going to take them further. Once again, I just want to give God the glory so that He can make this day possible. I'll share the mic to Abigail so that she can share a few words.
Very good morning to everyone. Thank you all for coming here. I want to start by telling you a story of how they met. How many of you all know the story of how they met? And how many of you all want to know how they met? So it all began when my dad was preaching at a service and my mom just attended the service to tag along with her mother. And my dad got a vision. Dad heard something speaking inside his own body saying, "This is your wife." Guess what my dad said? "Get out, you devil." Okay, here is the second part. So after a few days when my mom continued to attend the service, my mom began to have dreams and visions of my father and they getting married. The same thing was told by my mom, "Get out, you devil." And over the time, they developed a bond. And then they shared to each other that they both had the same vision. And that's when, God made that thing happen. God made this marriage happen. I just want to say this marriage is the proof that what God can do and what God will do through them in our lives. Once again, here's to 25 years more and 25 years of anniversary. Cheers.
Good morning, everyone. Want to thank wonderful person in our life who's a very much most wonderful in mine and Pastor Michael's life is our Lord Jesus. He's there with us throughout our life and He has taken care of us. I want to thank God for this 25 years of marriage. In 1999, we got married. And by the grace of God, in 2000, God spoke to us and we started our own ministry, Karuna Southern Ministry. That means next year we are going to celebrate 25 years of our ministry. God blessed us with two wonderful children, Aaron and Abigail. They are really a gift from God who are supporting us in our ministry, and that is the biggest gift for us. Now, God did not leave us there, but He went on blessing us. But there were challenges in our life too, but God took care of it. So we really want to thank God from the bottom of our heart. Want to thank each and every one those who are gathered over here. You're like a family to us. You'll always stand for us in every moment of our life. So I want to thank each and every one of us, of you all, from our side. We thank you for coming and gracing this occasion.
I want to thank God, of course. और कितने लोग जानते हैं कि एरन और अबिगेल ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. इसके पीछे इनका हाथ रहा, बहुत सारी प्लानिंग रही. So I want to appreciate you, Aaron and Abigail. So बहुत अच्छा, you can do better. And they speak so well, don't they? So I think they should start preaching now. All right, because they always preach to me at home. And the bishop is my wife. All right, jokes apart. मैं मेरी मम्मी और डैडी को याद करता हूँ. My mummy was a great intercessor, very powerful woman of God. And you know why this marriage happened? For one more reason. Of course, it's Jesus and of course all you wonderful people. लेकिन my mother-in-law, Lily Fernandez, okay, बहुत अच्छी औरत थी. She's with the Lord. And my father-in-law, okay, I don't call them father-in-law, mother-in-law. I call them mother in grace and father in grace. So when dad lost his memory, Anita's dad lost his memory, तो हमारे घर पे आए थे और मेरे को बोलता है कितने वर्ल्ड का नहीं मका. And I remember these words. And I said, no, Daddy. He says, so everybody asked him, who's this? He said, this is Michael. And they looked at Anita and says, who's this? And he had lost his memory. And she said, yeah, Gangu Bayasa. So I remember my dada. I remember my mother-in-law. Okay. So they really helped us. And they stood with us. And जब मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरी सैलरी सिर्फ 4,500 रुपये है, तो उन्होंने एक ही चीज कहा, मैं आज ही याद कर रहा था जब मैं प्रार्थना कर रहा था, तो उसने बोला कि बेटा अगर प्रभु का आशीष है सो 4.5 करोड़ बन जाएगी. सो यू सी, उन्होंने मेरी सैलरी देखकर, मुझे लड़की नहीं दी, उनकी बेटी नहीं दी. शी सॉ द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड अपॉन माय लाइफ. सो यू नो, उन्होंने अनुग्रह देखकर. So really it's an honor and privilege to celebrate this. Glory to Jesus, and thank you so much for all of you.